Hey gamers, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to disable a haptic feedback in Slotomania. To disable the haptic feedback in Slotomania, first of all open up Slotomania app on a device and from the main home screen, tap on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, toggle off the button right next to haptic feedback. Once you switch this off, you'll be able to turn off the haptic feedback or the vibrations during gameplay. Disabling haptic feedback in Slotomania is quick. Just head to the menu, Settings and Haptic Feedback button and switch it off. This ensures a quieter, smoother gameplay experience without vibrations. So that's how it's super easily done. If you ever want the vibration back, you can come to this same menu and toggle the button on. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.